What is the likeliest source of the next major nuclear disaster? What are we doing that is the most dangerous with nuclear power? The Chernobyl nuclear disaster can largely be blamed on the RBMK, or reactor bolshoi moshchnosti kanalny reactor design. In other words, there's no way to make an RBMK reactor safe by retrofitting better sensors or control equipment. You may have heard the term of art, positive void coefficient. That means that if your reactor loses coolant by leaking or boiling off, the nuclear reactions don't diminish as they would in a light water reactor, where the water is both coolant and moderator. When you lose the moderator, the reaction in the reactor slows down. The RBMK reactor uses a graphite moderator, which of course remains in place should the coolant be drained from the reactor. The graphite also burns, which carries high-level radioactive material into the air. This is why the RBMK reactor at Chernobyl had the potential to make large parts of Europe unusable for agriculture, and hunters still find some boar they kill are too hot to eat. The most up-to-date designs, like the Westinghouse AP1000, are designed to fail soft, to lose coolant slowly in case of a leak, to not lose all coolant, to have multiple coolant backups, and to prevent the reactor's core from escaping containment in the event of total coolant loss. But the conclusion after Chernobyl was that there is no safe way to operate an RBMK reactor. All of those reactors outside Russia have been shut down. But there are still 8 RBMK reactors in operation in Russia. We know from the way that Chernobyl happened that those reactors are, by orders of magnitude, more likely to create a serious nuclear disaster if there's a lapse in safety at those reactor sites compared to the rest of the world's reactor fleet.